How are you today? I hope everybody's fine, just like Teacher Jackie. Okay kids, so for today's video, we are going to talk about rain. Do you know what is rain? I hope you do, but if you don't know yet, I will tell you. But you should watch this video until the end so you can learn something about rain. Okay kids, first I want you to get your notebooks and pencil and write down everything you will see in this video. But first, we will have a short exercise like we always do. Are you ready? Everybody, please stand up and let's exercise. Alright, so kids, as I've said, today we will talk about rain. All about the rain. Where does the rain came from? And the things that you need when it's raining. Okay kids, watch this video until the end so you can learn something. Are you ready? Let's go!
Let's learn how does the rain form. First, we needed the sun. The heat from the sun causes water to evaporate from ocean, lakes, and streams. Evaporation occurs when liquid water on Earth's surface turns into water vapor in our atmosphere. Water from plants and trees also enters the atmosphere. This is called transpiration. Warm water vapor rises up through Earth's atmosphere. As the water vapor rises higher and higher, the cool air from the atmosphere causes the water vapor to turn back into liquid water, creating clouds. This process is called condensation. When a cloud becomes full of liquid water, it falls from the sky as rain, also known as precipitation. Rain then fills lakes and streams, and the process starts all over again. What are the things that you need when it's raining? First, we have umbrella. Umbrella. We can use umbrella when we go out when it's raining. Next, we have raincoat. A raincoat. Do you have a raincoat? You can also use raincoat when you go out when it's raining. Next, we have jacket. Jacket. You can use jacket when it's raining because you will feel cold when it's raining. Next, we have cup. A cup. Or you can also use a hat. A hat. Next, we have rain boots. A rain boots. You can use the rain boots when you go out when it's raining. What are the animals that you can see when it's raining? First, we have snakes. Snakes. Next, we have frogs. Frogs. Next, we have scorpions. Scorpions. Next, centipedes. Centipedes. Next, we have worm. Worm. Next is mosquito. Mosquito. We can also see dragonfly. Dragonfly. Also, ants. Ants.
So there you have it, kids. I hope you learned something about the rain. And I want you to write down everything that you've seen in this video. And please show Teacher Jackie. Okay, kids? That's all for today, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye, kids! Bye, kids!